so very much to our friends at NFTE and Comerica Bank for making Innovation Day possible for our students at DeSoto ISD. Teamwork makes the dream work, and we are so excited to have partners like NFTE that invest in our students' education.
Who gonna pay for it?
It's gonna be the government.
That means you have to get a grant.
And that means it has to be renewed every time it gets ready.
Them have a better experience using technology.
I'm Trish McNeil. I'm the Regional Director for NFTE South. So that's Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Mississippi, and Louisiana. We have a footprint of about 4,100 kids in this area, and one of our stellar districts is DeSoto ISD. So we work with the middle school students right now in the Exploring Careers curriculum. They did a pilot for us last year and were just amazing. So we were planning the Comerica Innovation Day, and DeSoto came to mind. We worked with the teachers, we worked with superintendent and the kids, and got everybody here. Comerica took care of the space for us. So we're doing the Innovation Day based on the Comerica World Sustainability Goal. And the kids are working on their pitches. We'll do a quick pitch this afternoon and send them on their way to hopefully apply and compete in the World Series of Innovation.
How to plan and make concepts, and I also learned how to overcome things. I also learned some things doesn't go as planned. So